Let's open the home page, and I want to put the other websites in here. For websites, I build websites from scratch using Photoshop and Dreamweaver. Click on example below to view website. Now, what's happening here, you'll see, is now this is getting closer to the image, and I have nice white space here, and then I don't have nice white space here. So what we could do, what I'm going to do, is take these three and drag them down, and then take these three, pull them up. Oops. I want to lock that layer. Make sure layer 1 is locked, so I'm not messing around with the background. Drag this up. Let's see, about there-ish. Let's see a preview. That looks good. Let's go back. Let's snag these. Drag them up here. See what that looks like. I like that. Let's bring it down just a little bit. Great. Now I have room underneath to keep on writing stuff. Let's go back. I built websites from scratch using Photoshop and Dreamweaver with HTML and CSS. Click on example below. Click on example above to view website. All right, and then I redesign websites that clients want a fresh new look. See, I redesign. See, I spelled redesign wrong. That's why you would spell all this, write all this in Word, and then put it in here. But it looks like Muse has a nice spelling check feature, which is great. I redesign websites that clients want a fresh new look. Click, not lick, on example above, and snag this and paste it here and update WordPress websites. Cool. See that background now? It needs to come down. So I have to unlock it. See that little line right there? Alright, so now I need to go to layers, unlock my layers, click on my move tool, move this one down, give it some space, and preview. Let's see what it looks like. Beautiful. Might not be liking that blue for the words now. I like the blue up here, but this blue right here, this seems like it's just too much. It's overkill. So maybe I'll do a gray, a dark gray, not a black though. Let's try it. Let's select the words. I double clicked in here and I didn't get the text tool. That's a little trick you can do. Click on it, double click in, and then it selects the whole thing. Let's get a dark gray. Let's see what that looks like. Is that any good? Let's preview it. I dig that. That's cool. It's subtle. It works. Maybe go a little darker. See, these are the preferences you have to work with. I'm going to click on that color there. Actually, let me see, a little darker. It looks kind of, I don't know, is it brown or is it gray? Okay, let's try that. Preview. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. Alright, so that is, what color is that? That's this one right here. That's swatch. So I'm going to select this one, click on that one, and select this one, and select that one, Let's push this to the side. There we go. And now let's get a new image for the websites. Go to my website and click on websites. And let me see, I like my Apopka bail bonds and FloridaCrystalGlaze.com. That was a redesign. I made this one from scratch, and then I made this from scratch, but it was a redesign of an older website. This one's a new client for me. Print screen. Let's go to Photoshop. All right, so this is what I want to talk to you about. Templates. This is how big the image is on my Muse, right? Well, I want them all to be repetitive and design-wise the same size. So, File, Save As. We're going to save it as a PSD, Photoshop document. I'm going to save it. These are web underscores. And I'm going to put that in my documents. Hello, where's my documents? Over here. Websites, WebSkins, and I'll put it right here next to my button.psd, my index. Click Save. Awesome. Now I paste Command V or Control V, and my image is too big, so I'm going to zoom out, and then Command T or Control T, and then Alt Shift. I'm not going to go all the way down yet. Press Enter. I'm going to zoom in to 100%. Then Command T. I'm going to bring my website up like that, and then drag this over here like so. And let's get that on the side there. Bring this over there. Looks good. Press Enter and File, Export, Save for Web, Save. It's going to go inside my documents, websites, webskins, images, web underscore. That was a tile company. That was, what is it called? Crystal Glaze. Crystal Glaze. I'm going to write Crystal. Crystal. Save. And then let me go to Muse. Where's my Muse? There we go. Right click on this. Instead of deleting it, I want to edit this image. I can right click, replace image, get my crystal. Bam! There we go. Now we need a link to that. Copy the link. Drop down, paste, enter, make sure it opens in a new window. Let's click on this one, open that in a new window. Let's click on this one, open that in a new window. This is going to be a different one. This is going to be the other website. This one, let's copy that URL. Let's do a print screen. Let's go to Photoshop. Let's paste. Let's do a Command T. Shift, and see what we're going on here. I want to show the sides of the website because the navigation goes off the sides too. I want to give it a little bit of a fun look, right? Let's bring it up, let's bring it there, let's bring it right there, like that. Bring it to there we go. And then File, Export, Save for Web, Save. Apopka bail bonds. There we go. Save that. Muse. Right click. Replace image. Go to the bottom. Click on the Apopka bail bonds. Click on the drop down here. Paste. Aw. I thought I snagged it. Let's get it again. Copy. Use. Make sure I'm on it. Paste. Enter. Make sure it opens a new window. Great. Let's save it. Command S or Control S, and then File. Upload to FTP host. OK. OK. And ignore. And ignore. All right, it's gonna. Now, if you go to the website and refresh it right now while it's uploading it, it won't work. The whole entire website won't work. I've tried it. Wait till it's done. Now, I'll go to Muse. See, this is funny. It goes right to my home page, my home directory. See, that's what, if we didn't go to Dreamweaver and or CyberDuck to upload a new folder on the server, this is what it does. So webskins.com/Muse. You would be going to your.com/Muse. And let's see. Oh, look how beautiful that looks. You got websites, Crystal Glaze opens up in a new window. Popka Bail Bonds opens up in a new window. Look, everything works. And then a Popka Chamber opens up in a new window. And yeah, I build websites from scratch using I redesign, Wonderful portfolio page. Look at that. And I just need to do about and contact.